So, hello, good afternoon. I want to look at this question. I asked to solve this question here. So, is an is an equation involving salt, and what we're going to do here is to square both sides of this equation. So, after squaring both sides, we're going to have x plus 1 plus 5x plus 1 square, then 2x plus 6 square. So when we square this, what are we going to have? This is going to be x plus 1 plus square this 2, that will be 5x plus 1. Then multiply the 2 and use 2 to multiply it. So that will be 2 square root of x plus 1, 5x plus 1. Right? So if you square this, it's going to be 4 into x plus 6. Right? So what we're going to do here is to take this and this to the other side of the equation. And that's going to be 2 square root of x plus 1, 5x plus 1. Okay, you said Wednesday what time? Thursday what time? 4 into x plus 6 minus x plus 1, then minus 5x plus 1. Right? So here, we also need to do what? Square both sides at the same time as well. So when we square both sides, that's going to be 4 into x plus 1, then 5x plus 1. So this is now going to be squared. Everything here will be squared. 4 into x plus 6 minus x plus 1 minus 5x plus 1. So everything will be squared because we have squared both sides. Okay, so we just need to simplify this further. So this becomes, when we open these brackets, that's x times 5x, that will be 5x squared. 5 times x, or x times 1, that will be x. Then 1 times 5x, that will be 5x. Then 1 times 1, that will be 1. Okay, so this one, let's expand this first before we use the square. So this is going to be 4x plus 24, and this minus x minus 1, and this minus 5x minus 1, everything squared. Okay, so from here, so this is going to be 4, this 5x squared plus 6x plus 1. We just need to add this and this together. That gives us 6. So if we add this and this together, so that was 4 minus 1, that's 3, and 3 minus 5, that's minus 2, right? So we have minus 2 here, and this is 24, and 24 minus 1, that's 23. So this is minus 2x plus 23, right? Minus 2x plus 23, and this one is also minus 1. So this 2 minus 2 plus 24, so that's plus 22, right? Everything is squared. And from here, 5x squared plus 6x plus 1. Now expand this as you remove the brackets. So this is gonna be we want to factorize 2 out. Factorizing 2 out of this equation. So that will be 2 is coming out minus x plus 11, right? So that if we now square this, it's going to be 4 into 5x squared plus 6x plus 1, 4. This is going to be 4. Why this is going to be minus x plus 11 squared. Are we on the same page? So this is going to cause this, right? And if we expand this, it's going to be 5x squared plus 6x plus 1. Why this is going to be, open these brackets. So that will be, you square this, that will be x squared. Then you multiply this and this together and use 2 to multiply it. So that will be minus 22x. Then open this one, that will be 11 squared, that's 121. So the next thing we want to do is to now bring everything to one side of the equation. So that will be 5x squared plus 6x plus 1 minus x squared minus 22x. Then minus 121 is plus 22x, not minus. Plus 22x minus 121 equals to 0, right? Okay, so this minus this, 5 minus 1, that will be 4x squared, right? So 6 plus 22, that will be 28, 28x. Then 1 minus 121, that will be minus 120. Okay? Okay, from here now, this is now going to, we can see that 4 is common in this equation. So we can cut out that 4. You can divide everything by 4. Divide this by 4, divide it by 4, divide it by 4, everything by 4. So that this becomes x squared plus 7x. And this is what? 4, that's 30, right? Equals to 0. So we now look for two numbers. We multiply this and this together. Look for two numbers such that when we add them, we are going to get the middle number, and when we subtract them, when we multiply them, we are still going to get uh, the combination of these two, and those are 10 and 3, right? So that will be x squared plus 10x minus 3x minus 30, right? So this is now going to be, factorize these two out. So that will be x into x plus 10, right? And this minus 3 is common here, bring it out. So that will be x plus 10 equals to 0. So x plus 10, and this is x minus 3 equal to 0. So x plus 10 equals to 0, or x minus 3 equals to 0, right? So this is now going to be x is equals to minus 10, or x is equals to 3, right? So these are the two values of x. So that's minus 10 and 3. So those are the values of x that we have obtained. Okay, thank you. Please follow, share, subscribe to our channel, and encourage us to produce more videos for you guys. Thank you.